my channel. My name is Mariel and your name is?
Michael.
Alright, today we're going to make a lamington and I'll show you what are the ingredients that we need and how to do it. Basically, this is going to be an easy lamington and this is an eggless recipe because my little Michael, he have an egg and peanut allergies, so we stay away for all those allergens. Alright, the weather here right now, it's cold, it's raining outside and it's very windy. Temperature is 1 degree Celsius and it's very cold outside, so we couldn't do anything outdoor activities because of the rain. Actually, it's been raining this weekend, so we can't go out and do things. So yeah, and tomorrow's Monday, Michael will go back to school and yeah. Alright, let's make lamington.
Yay!
we enjoy making it. Michael, you like it, isn't it? Yeah, you do, yeah. All right, now we're gonna taste it. That's really good. It's soft. The bread is soft. The chocolate is really nice as well. You like it? Okay, that's good. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you in my next one. Take care everyone. Bye! You have yours!